the duty truck truck. Okay. The other has 26 feet. Okay, you know what I mean? Truck loader ready to go. Yeah. One truck. See how by the handle. See the handle, you can pull it down. Okay. It's really long. That is clean. Nothing wrong with it. If you want this truck, you need to call me straight away. 678-755-9056. That is 678-755-9056. Go inside the traditional truck. See, the truck is fantastic. Okay, it's automatic, leather seat, radio AM and FM. You see the mileage is 352,000 miles. It's automatic. Okay, you can't go wrong with this truck. So if you want this truck, can be used for moving stock. Okay, that's what's up. Alright, you ready? Give me a call back and let's make a deal. Alright, it's a very fantastic international truck. Okay?